Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I am getting ready for school. I am getting ready for school. Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have a glass of water, please? I usually eat breakfast at home. I usually eat breakfast at home. I walk to school every morning. I walk to school every morning. Excuse me, where is the library? Excuse me, where is the library? I like to read books in my free time. I like to read books in my free time. Let's meet at the cafe after school. Let's meet at the cafe after school. I do my homework before dinner. I do my homework before dinner. I need to buy some fruit and vegetables. I need to buy some fruit and vegetables.